Hello everyone, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and we're going to do our Patreon in review for the week of February 18th. And here are our 5 videos. The first one is Newfound Space. The second is When Kids Are Out of School. The third is Organizing versus Decluttering. The fourth is You Are Beautiful. And the fifth and final one is What You Can Imagine. So these are exciting videos for me to present, and so far have been exciting for the people who have watched them. If you're not a Patreon, I encourage you to come over, sign up. It's only $5 a month, and enjoy these videos 5 days a week just for you. They'll never be released on YouTube. That's my commitment. They are just for the patrons. So I'd love to have you as one of my patrons. Consider it thoughtfully. And if you are a patron and you haven't watched today, or you haven't watched this week, you've been a little busy, make time to watch these videos. They're just for you. All right, that's it for today, guys. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.